Well, in this video, I want to show you the way I do some modifications in the treatment plan of a patient that I'm going to work. I'm going to treat with Spark aligners. And I'm going to show you the way I modify with the software, the Spark Approval. That is an amazing tool, just not only for diagnosis, also to plan the perfect sequence of movement and the perfect finishing. And it's amazing because you can have in your hands the control of any single tooth, controlling from the root to the crown and controlling everything. So something that I want to modify in this case, for example, you can see here, okay, the way we start, as you can see here, well, we have a negative torque in upper and lower incisors, and well, I want this finishing at the end, okay, with this positive torque in the upper arch, and also I want to upright the lowers. But something that I don't like, if we check the before and after, okay, this is before, beginning, and this is the end. But when I put the superimposition, you can see here that the torque in the upper incisor, they modified the torque just increasing the lingual root torque in the upper incisor. Look at here that instead of giving crown torque and lingual root torque, they are doing only lingual root torque. So what I'm going to tell them is that I want to modify not only the lingual root torque. So what I want is, at the same time that they give lingual root torque, I want to give positive crown to the torque to the crown. Okay. To do that, you have to also to compress more the 7. As you can see here, they are doing some compression of the 7. But in order to increase the predictability of the positive torque of the crown of the central and lateral incisor, I'm going to increase also the compression of the 7, okay? Because we know that if we compress the 7, it's going to help me to procline more the upper incisor, okay? To have better control of that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to also to put some attachments in the lateral incisors in order to increase the retention, okay? It's just for anchorage. So I'm going to put gingival bevel attachments in this lateral incisor and also in this one, okay? And something amazing of this tool is that you can modify the shape, okay? You can modify whatever you want, okay? But also the position. What I like to do with this attachment where I put in the lingual surface, I like to modify the position closer to the incisal edge, okay? Instead of putting here, I'm going to modify from here, okay, to here, okay? And also what I'm going to do, okay, you can check here, okay, what I'm going to do, as you can see, it's amazing, the tool. Okay, I'm going to increase the volume and also I'm going to increase the bevel in gingival. So I'm going to press here, put here, and as you can see here how I modify the volume. Look at here, from here, okay, and also I will modify the bevel. Okay, so more bevel, more gingival bevel, 4 millimeters, okay, and closer to the incisal edge. I'm going to tell them, as I told you, to increase the compression while they procline the upper incisors, and doing that I'm going to have better control, okay, of my case. If you want, instead of telling them to increase the torque, you can do it by yourself, okay? You can modify the torque. For example, you can, if you want, okay, if you want to give more crown torque, okay, you can use the tools, for example, like this, and I can tell them, okay, to modify more the torque, and I'm going to tell them that to take there as reference the torque that I have left in this upper central incisor. Okay, so the Spark Approval is something that is amazing. It's a really impressive tool that we can use in the way that I show you. Okay, to have incredible results with your treatments. Okay, so see you in the next lesson.